Assalamu Alaikum. I am a professional esthetician graduated from Canadian Beauty College, Toronto. Coming to you from Zaitoona Medispa, a place where our prime focus is not only your skin, but also your lifestyle. Firstly, I would like to acquaint you all with my slogan, Reconnect with Nature. This slogan was based on my goal to improve people's basic lifestyle choices for long-term health and to not only make them feel good on the outside, but also from the inside. My mission is for our community to adopt a natural life with less pharmaceutical and more herbs and natural choices. I am a minimalist. I do not resort to medication unless I absolutely have to. I treat myself, my family, and my friends with my natural medicine cabinet. Need a proof? Come take a look at our spa. To be short, ancient wisdom is a large canvas, and my goal is to share my understanding about ancient civilization and their medicinal knowledge, such as the Egyptians, Hebrews, Greeks, Romans, Chinese, and Africans. Although the world believes that the olden civilization were the only pioneers of herbalism, but I assure you, it is also a prophetic heritage. Our prophets were blessed with the gift to cure people. Additionally, in Sahih Bukhari, we read that the Prophet, may the mercy and blessings of God be upon him, said, "Honey is a remedy for every illness, and the Quran is a remedy for all illnesses of the mind. Therefore, I recommend to you both remedies, the Quran and honey." And fun fact about honey is that it is the only agent on the planet that never expires, and it is also known as liquid gold. With this, I conclude my video for today and hope to catch you in the next one. Assalamu Alaikum and have a blessed week.